guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam Christmas ornament candle holder centerpiece. So what you're going to need some of these little teardrop pendants. They are from Efavormart. You'll also need some of this white iridescent glitter from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need a glass hurricane, and you're going to need one of these silver or nickel trays. It can really be any shape you'd like. It could be square, rectangular, oval, whatever shape you like. And you're going to need some floral foam. I've got some silver ornaments here, some of these little white snowflakes, some silver snowflakes, some various picks in white and silver. I also have some Mod Podge and a little foam paintbrush. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful centerpiece, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam Christmas candle holder centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.